In this video, we will show you how Symbium can help you determine whether the energy-saving appliance you are considering purchasing is eligible for a rebate and how to use Symbium to apply for rebates. To begin, simply go to the Projects section and click on Home Improvements to plan and scope out your project. As you provide details about your project, Symbium provides instant feedback on whether your appliance is eligible for a rebate. And the more information you provide, the more accurate and nuanced the analysis becomes. The best part? We'll tell you exactly how much you can receive in rebates. If your home improvement project involves replacing multiple appliances, simply add them to your scope of work and watch your rebates increase. With traditional methods, you may have to wait weeks to find out if your appliances are eligible for rebates or are told your project doesn't qualify. But with Symbium, you'll have instant access to an analysis that clearly explains why your project isn't eligible for a rebate so that you can adjust your plans accordingly. Once you've purchased and installed all the appliances you'd like rebates for, simply fill out any additional information and submit your application. Symbium will let you know of any restrictions on your rebate application and tell you exactly what supporting documents you'll need to submit. It's as easy as that. Symbium's cutting-edge solution makes it effortless to determine if your new appliances are eligible for rebates. Not only will you save money on your home improvement projects, but you'll also save money on your utility bills in the long run with more energy-efficient appliances in your home. Thanks for watching this video explaining how you can use Symbium to identify and apply for rebates for energy-saving appliances. We hope you found it informative and engaging. To learn more about how to use Symbium Citizens Dashboard, check out our other videos. They cover how to determine what currently exists on a property, how to easily obtain permits, and how to instantly learn if an ADU is allowed on a property. You can find all 3 videos on the screen right now.